Alright, so we are looking at the weather for the 4th of July celebrations, and we've got the system in northern Florida, and the likelihood that it's going to develop in the Gulf is absolutely probably zero right now. It's more than likely going to develop, if it does, in the Atlantic Ocean, and it's only got a 40% chance of formation there anyway. But the weather for Marco Island and Naples area for Friday, the 4th of July, we've got thunderstorms likely in the morning, then a chance of scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon. High 83 degrees and winds southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain on Friday is 90%. Locally heavy rainfall is possible. Then Friday night, when they're going to set off the fireworks, showers early, then scattered thunderstorms developing late. Low 78 degrees, winds southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour, chance of rain 50%. So we could get a couple of thunderstorms throughout the day, in the morning and in the afternoon, and maybe even at night. So just be cautious out there. We've had some 4 girls last week or so got hit by lightning on Marco Island. So if you hear thunder, and especially if you see lightning, you shouldn't be out in it, really. I know I wouldn't, so just be cautious of that. It's deadly. Alright, well, happy 4th of July, everybody, and thanks for watching. My name's Paul. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.